We are talking about events and why events matter and why it's important to go to events and get your team to events. But before we get there, let's start on a positive note also. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Goes against the wind. So don't be scared if inviting people and trying to get people to events, it seems like you're going upwind. Remember the aeroplane, it takes off against the wind. Okay. Now, why do events matter? We all talk about events, and every week we talk about events. But, well, here's some tips. Events inspire, they educate, and they connect people. And connect with other people gives you more inspiration as well. And you learn from other people also. But it also builds belief in the company and the products. The summit is so important here, especially. And the many events a company arranges. It creates momentum for your business. You know, if you have got a team going to an event, there's momentum going afterwards. You pick it up. And it motivates you as a leader as well. And even if you don't have a team going, even if you're the only person going, you will get motivated by the event yourself. So don't miss out. Some tips. Tip 1, lead by example. So always attend the events. Whether you've got downloads going or not, always attend events. And then share your excitement and stories about the events, things you've learned. You know, like a 60-second story or 90-second story. Share your excitement. It was fantastic. Okay? Because your team mirrors your actions. You set the example. Tip number 2, promote early and often. Don't wait for 2 days before the event. That's a bit too late. But start promoting weeks before. Use all platforms. WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok, email, phone calls, whatever. But do not give up. And repeat reminders, because people tend to hear something several times, 7, 8, 9, 10 times before they actually will say yes. Okay? And I found even sometimes I've invited people, and then last minute I still invite people, some still say yes. So don't give up. But promote early and often. Tip number 3, share stories, not just info. Okay? It's a case like, sort of like facts tell, but stories sell. So share stories. I've got some videos, for example, from last year's summit. Getting closer to our summit, I'm going to play some of them and share some of them on our WhatsApp group to motivate people to attend. Share stories, not just info. Talk about what past events did for you, how it changed your business. And if yours haven't changed yet because of it, use examples of other people who went to events and that changed their businesses. Use other people's testimonials, in other words, if you don't have one yourself yet. But make the event also emotionally relevant. Why is it important for them to attend? Not just, you will go to this summit. Tell them, oh man, it's important because it's going to make your business grow. It's going to excitement. You're going to love it. Okay? So make it relevant for them. And remember, sharing success stories today helps create your future success. Tip number 4, personal invitations win. Okay, if you just shoot into the bunch, you might need 1 or 2 perhaps, but it's still best to contact them individually as well. Okay? Whether it's a voice note, WhatsApp, or call, but individually, personally. Make them feel special with comments like, I thought of you. I really believe you are going to enjoy this. You're going to learn a lot from this. Create a personal reason they should come. If you know your downlines, you might know a very good reason why they need to go. And use that then to motivate them to go. Tip number 5, create urgency. It's important. Things like limited space or don't miss this. Okay, don't say there's limited space and the hall's got 200 seats and there are only 50 people pitch up. That's not going to work. Then you're a liar. Okay, be careful of that. But if there's really limited space, say that. Or don't miss this. Create the fear of missing out, the FOMO, the fear of missing out. Create that. You're going to miss out. You better be there. You're going to regret not going. And also give limited time bonuses, specials or something to motivate them. Okay? But limited time. Number 6, make it easy to say yes. In other words, take away the excuses. Help them with transport if you need it. Offer to go together as a group. Share exact details, time, venue, what to bring, and so on. So they know exactly what they need to pack in, must they cater for food or not, etc. I know there's some people with the Bloemfontein function that organizes a bus from Cape Town to Bloemfontein to travel a lot of people in the bus. Make it easy for them to go together. Number 7, follow up with excitement, that enthusiasm, the excitement. Things like, are you as excited as I am? I'm very so excited, I'm starting to stutter. That's my worst property because I'm excited about this stuff. Okay? Help them register or prepare. Get them to bring a friend as well. Now, that might make it easier for them to come with, and it might create more excitement. If you can get a downline to bring a downline or friend with, that might also have to create more excitement for your downline. Now, all those are tips, and they all link up to the following. These 7 tips are all about motivating your team. So, motivate your team. Here's some tips specific on that. Get them to see the bigger picture. See how events help their growth. Share stories of people whose lives changed. Remind them growth happens outside your comfort zone. That's so important. People only want to be in the comfort zone. But, that's pressure you get. It helps you to find solutions and to grow. If you look at the big picture, you start losing your focus on the little things. And the little things are very often those little niggles that actually hinder you from going. But if you watch this bigger picture, this is what I'm going for. This is why I'm going. The little things won't stop you. Also, use group energy and recognition. Create challenges. Then let's go as a team. Recognize those who registered first. Maybe give them a product or something because you registered first. Okay? Offer small incentives. Maybe you buy them a snack pack or a refunded ticket or something. Find what you can afford, obviously. Okay, but let them get motivated. A summary, 7 tips to promote events. 1, lead by example. 2, promote early and often. 3, share stories. 4, personal invitations. 5, use urgency. 6, make it easy. And 7, follow up with excitement. Okay, motivate your team with vision and rewards. Final thought. One of the most important tasks of a leader is to eliminate excuses of the team members. If you don't know how, ask your upline to help you.